So hi, I'm Yasmin. I'm the skin and laser specialist here in Havana, Durham, and in this video I'm going to be discussing on how the Dermaroller works from home. So this Dermaroller here is a depth of 0.5. So it's the only depth that you can actually use at home without medical supervision. So we would recommend, if you want to go any deeper, to go to a skin clinic so you can get the needles a little bit deeper underneath the skin. With this roller, it's a 0.5, so it's only working on the epidermis of the skin. So it's quite just on the surface basically. How it works is it creates a controlled trauma to the skin. When it creates that controlled injury, the skin is going to kick into repair mode and it's going to repair itself, such as fine lines, wrinkles, acne scarring is a major thing, open pores, blocked pores, and also stretch marks. That's quite popular as well. So when using the roller, we would recommend to pick a serum. So for example, we like using the hyaluronic. I have it here. So with the hyaluronic, if you put it onto the face, for example, put a tiny bit on, rub it in, and then use your roller. So you're kind of pushing down your serum underneath the skin itself. If you suffer from, say, dehydration, this is a really nice one to hydrate your skin as well. If you'd like to purchase your very own Image ADS Premium Dermaroller, all you have to do is follow the link below and you can avail of 60% off.